You've heard the whispers, seen the headlines, maybe even felt a little FOMO, Bitcoin. It's the word on everyone's lips, but what exactly is it? Some say it's the future of money, others, a bubble waiting to burst. Today, we're cutting through the hype and diving deep into the world of Bitcoin. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newbie, understanding Bitcoin is crucial in today's rapidly evolving financial landscape. We'll explore its origins, unravel its complex technology, and examine its potential impact on our world. Buckle up, because this is a wild ride. We'll uncover how Bitcoin is challenging the very foundations of our financial system and empowering individuals like never before. Get ready to demystify the world's most famous cryptocurrency. To understand Bitcoin, we need to take a trip back in time. For centuries, humans have been on a quest for efficient ways to exchange value. We started with bartering, trading goods and services directly. Then came gold and silver coins, followed by paper money, and eventually plastic cards. Each step brought us closer to a more convenient and globally connected financial system. But these systems have always relied on intermediaries, banks, governments, and financial institutions to facilitate transactions and control the flow of money. This reliance has its downsides, from fees and delays to censorship and lack of transparency. And then, in 2008, amidst a global financial crisis and growing distrust in traditional systems, Bitcoin emerged. A revolutionary concept was born, a decentralized digital currency, powered by cryptography and operating on a revolutionary technology called blockchain. Imagine a currency free from the control of any single entity, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. That's the promise of Bitcoin. It's decentralized, meaning no central authority governs it. Transactions occur directly between users, eliminating the need for intermediaries. This peer-to-peer network is secured by cryptography, making transactions highly secure and transparent. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger distributed across the entire network. This groundbreaking technology ensures trust and immutability, eliminating the possibility of fraud or double spending. Bitcoin represents more than just a new form of money. It's a symbol of financial freedom, empowering individuals and challenging the established order. It's a testament to the power of technology to disrupt and reshape our world. But how does it actually work? Our story begins in 2008, not with a bang, but with a whisper in the digital ether. On October 31st, a research paper titled "Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System" appeared on a cryptography mailing list. Its author? A mysterious figure, or figures, known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. The paper outlined a revolutionary idea: a decentralized digital currency immune to government control and manipulation. It was a radical departure from traditional finance, sparking both excitement and skepticism within the tech community. A few months later, on January 3, 2009, the Bitcoin network came to life with the mining of the first block, known as the Genesis block. Embedded within this block was a message, a timestamp referencing a headline from the Times about bank bailouts. This cryptic message hinted at the motivations behind Bitcoin's creation, a desire for a more equitable and transparent financial system. The enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto, who is Bitcoin's creator? Despite Bitcoin's growing popularity, the identity of its creator remains a mystery. Satoshi Nakamoto vanished from online forums in 2011, leaving behind a legacy shrouded in intrigue. Was Satoshi a brilliant individual or a group of talented developers? Over the years, numerous attempts have been made to unmask the enigmatic creator, but none have been successful. Some believe Satoshi's identity is irrelevant, arguing that Bitcoin's true power lies in its decentralized nature. Others see the mystery as a distraction, fueling speculation and undermining the technology's legitimacy. Regardless of who Satoshi truly is, their creation has ignited a revolution, challenging the very foundations of finance and captivating the imaginations of people worldwide. But the early days of Bitcoin were far from glamorous. Early days, pioneers, and skeptics. In its infancy, Bitcoin was a niche technology embraced by a small community of cryptography enthusiasts and early adopters. They saw its potential, believing in a future where digital currency could empower individuals and disrupt traditional financial systems. One of the first documented real-world Bitcoin transactions involved the purchase of 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, that same amount would be worth millions, highlighting the exponential growth of this once obscure digital asset. But mainstream media and financial institutions remained skeptical. often dismissing Bitcoin as a passing fad or a tool for criminals. Its price was volatile, its technology complex, and its future uncertain. Yet the Bitcoin community persisted, driven by a shared belief in its transformative power. Blockchain unveiled, the technology behind the currency. To grasp Bitcoin, we need to understand blockchain. It's a digital ledger of every Bitcoin transaction shared across a network. This transparent ledger is the backbone of Bitcoin. Blocks of verified transactions form an unbreakable chain. Miners validate and add new blocks, securing the network. Section 2. Mining Explained, Securing the Network and Earning Bitcoin. Mining is the lifeblood of the Bitcoin network. It's a process that demands significant computational power, often requiring specialized hardware and consuming vast amounts of energy. Miners act as digital bookkeepers, verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. The process involves solving complex cryptographic puzzles. Think of it as a race to find a specific needle in a digital haystack. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. As more miners join the network, the difficulty of these puzzles automatically adjusts, ensuring that new blocks are added at a steady rate. This self-regulating mechanism is crucial for maintaining the stability and security of the Bitcoin network. Miners are incentivized to participate in this energy-intensive process by the prospect of earning Bitcoin rewards. These rewards, along with transaction fees, provide economic incentives for miners to invest in powerful hardware and contribute to the security of the network. Section 3. Transactions Decrypted, How Bitcoin Moves from Wallet to Wallet. So how do you actually use Bitcoin? It all starts with a Bitcoin wallet. Think of it like a digital bank account for Bitcoin. Wallets can be software or hardware. To send Bitcoin, initiate a transaction from your wallet. The transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Miners verify and add it to the blockchain. This process takes about 10 minutes. Once recorded, it's permanent and immutable. The recipient's wallet reflects the received Bitcoin. The process is transparent, secure, and accessible. Section 4. Wallets and Keys, Your Gateway to the Bitcoin Network. Your Bitcoin wallet is your gateway to the Bitcoin network. It stores your private keys, not your actual Bitcoin. Keep your private key safe. It proves ownership of your Bitcoin. Most wallets generate a seed phrase for recovery. Store it offline securely. Share your public key to receive Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't just a new form of money, it's a catalyst for change, disrupting the financial landscape as we know it. Its decentralized nature challenges the authority of central banks and traditional financial institutions, offering an alternative system for transferring value. This shift towards decentralized finance, often called DeFi, empowers individuals, giving them greater control over their money and reducing their reliance on intermediaries. Transactions can occur directly between parties regardless of their location or credit history, fostering financial inclusion and breaking down barriers. Bitcoin also operates independently of national borders, making it a truly global currency. Its value isn't tied to any specific government or economy, providing a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, particularly in countries with unstable financial systems. While still in its early stages of adoption, Bitcoin has already made its mark on the world. Its growing popularity and increasing acceptance by merchants and institutions signal a potential shift in how we think about and interact with money. Bitcoin offers unparalleled security and transparency. Its decentralized nature resists censorship and manipulation. However, its price volatility and scalability are concerns. The regulatory landscape and environmental impact add to the debate. Despite challenges, Bitcoin's potential drives innovation and adoption. Bitcoin's journey from a niche technology to a mainstream phenomenon is a testament to its disruptive power. Early adopters, driven by a belief in its potential, paved the way for wider acceptance. As its price surged, Bitcoin caught the eye of investors, both retail and institutional. Major financial institutions began offering Bitcoin-related services, and companies like Tesla and Square added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, further legitimizing it as an asset class. In 2021, El Salvador made history by becoming the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, a bold move that highlighted its potential to empower citizens and reshape economies. Today, Bitcoin continues to gain traction, with millions of users and businesses worldwide embracing its potential. While its future remains uncertain, its impact on the financial world is undeniable. As we stand on the cusp of a new financial era, the question on everyone's mind is, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Will it become the dominant global currency, replacing traditional fiat systems, or will it evolve into something entirely different? Bitcoin is no longer alone in the digital currency arena. Thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with its own unique features and use cases. This competition, while potentially challenging Bitcoin's dominance, is also driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with digital assets. Experts and enthusiasts alike are divided on Bitcoin's future trajectory. Some predict its price will continue to soar as adoption grows and scarcity increases, while others remain cautious, citing its volatility and regulatory uncertainties. The truth is, no one can predict the future with certainty. What's clear is that Bitcoin has sparked a revolution, challenging our assumptions about money and finance. Its impact will continue to be felt for years to come, shaping the evolution of the global financial system. Section 2. Bitcoin Beyond Finance, From Supply Chains to Digital Identity. While Bitcoin is best known for finance, its blockchain technology has far-reaching implications. Industries are exploring its potential to revolutionize supply chain management and digital identity. Imagine tracking products with unprecedented accuracy, reducing fraud and counterfeiting. Blockchain creates tamper-proof records, increasing transparency and consumer confidence. In digital identity, blockchain offers a secure way to verify and manage identities. This could revolutionize online interactions, reducing identity theft, and empowering individuals. From voting systems to intellectual property, blockchain's applications are vast. As Bitcoin gains acceptance, expect more innovative uses transforming industries. Section 3. Navigating the Bitcoin Frontier: Risks, Rewards, and Responsible Innovation. The world of Bitcoin and blockchain is still in its infancy, full of both promise and uncertainty. As with any emerging technology, it's crucial to approach it with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both its potential benefits and risks. Before investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, it's essential to do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market makes it a high-risk, high-reward investment. Beyond individual investment decisions, it's crucial to engage in thoughtful discussions about the broader implications of Bitcoin and blockchain technology. How can we ensure its development and adoption are ethical, sustainable, and beneficial for all? The future of Bitcoin and blockchain is not predetermined. It's up to us, as individuals, investors, and global citizens, to guide its development and harness its potential to create a more equitable, transparent, and innovative future. Section 1. Bitcoin's Legacy, a New Era of Finance. So, there you have it. We've journeyed from Bitcoin's mysterious origins to its potential to reshape the financial landscape. It's been a wild ride, full of twists, turns, and more than a few "did that really just happen?" moments. Whether Bitcoin becomes the dominant currency of the future, or simply paves the way for even more disruptive technologies, one thing is certain: it's ignited a global conversation about money, power, and the future of finance. It's challenged the status quo and empowered individuals in ways we're only beginning to understand. The future of finance is being written right now, and Bitcoin is at the forefront of this revolution. It's a story that's still unfolding, and you have the opportunity to be a part of it. But our journey together doesn't end here. This is just the beginning of your exploration into the world of Bitcoin. Section 2. Your journey starts now. Explore, learn, and engage. The best way to understand Bitcoin is to dive in and learn more. There are countless resources available online, from articles and videos to forums and communities. Explore different perspectives, ask questions, and engage in thoughtful discussions. But remember, the world of Bitcoin is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest developments, be wary of scams and misinformation, and always approach investments with caution. Connect with other Bitcoin enthusiasts, attend meetups, and share your knowledge. The Bitcoin community is global and welcoming, and there's always something new to learn. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore the world of Bitcoin. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What are your thoughts on the future of Bitcoin? Let us know.